Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Turn on the Sony Bravia TV and the Vivo phone before starting the setup. Make sure both devices stay powered and awake during connection. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, preferably 5 GHz for stability and lower latency. If your router separates too, 4 GHz and 5 GHz, choose the same band on each device. On the TV, navigate to Settings, then Network and Accessories, then Screen Mirroring to enable the receiver mode. Leave the TV on the screen mirroring waiting screen while you proceed on the phone. Open Settings on the Vivo phone and go to Bluetooth and Connection or More Settings. Tap Cast or Screen Cast to reveal available devices on your Wi-Fi network. Wait for the phone to scan and then select Sony Bravia when it appears in the list. Grant any permission prompts that request access to media or display the screen. If the TV shows a confirmation prompt, accept it using the TV remote to complete pairing. Expect a short black screen while the phone negotiates resolution and latency with the TV. If the connection fails, restart the phone, the TV, and the Wi-Fi router and then retry casting. Disable battery saver and close background apps on the Vivo phone to improve casting stability. Reduce streaming quality or switch to 4 GHz if the 5 GHz signal is unstable or distant from the router. For the best video stability, connect the Sony Bravia TV to Ethernet using a cable if possible. Keep the phone within 3 to 5 meters for optimal signal strength during screen mirroring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.